Back to YouTube channel again. So in this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot and fix the issue of a SteelSeries Arctis 7 headphone constantly disconnecting. So follow the step-by-step guide to ensure a seamless gaming or listening experience without any interruption. So let's start. Here the first solution, we have to repair the headset and wireless transistor. So you have to connect the wireless transistor to a working USB port or your PC simply. And now after this you have to open the SteelSeries engine software in your system, then check the pairing status. After you have to check the, if needed, manually pair the headset with the wireless transmitter or by clicking on the orange game icon. So in the software, selecting pair device, then after you have to once all devices are connected, so you have to click the start pairing button to complete the process. So we are going to solution 2. In solution 2, we have to check the USB port or cable is this connected or not. So try using another USB port if you find your computer or a USB port to check any issue with the previous port. So avoid any external USB hub. Connect the wireless transistor directly to a working USB port on your PC. Or after this, you have to test them USB port by connecting to other USB devices like a mouse or other another headset. So ensure they are functioning properly. In solution time, we have to relocate the wireless transistor. So the wireless transistor and the headset is a killer line of a side between. So avoid the pacing transistor behind the thick wall and metallic object or glass. They may interfere the 2.4 GHz signal. So after relocating the transistor, restart the headset and check if the disconnection issue persists. So in solution 4, we have to change the USB power setting. So you have to go to this type of window plus R. Then there you have to type their control panel. And here you can find your select hardware and sound in this section. So that's how. After this, you have to click on the power option. Here, power option to access power setting. So locate your current power plan and click on the change plan setting. After this, click on the change advanced power setting. Then scroll down to find the USB setting option and select USB suspend setting and disable. So click apply to save the change. Now we are going to solution 5 to see uninstall and installation SteelSeries GG. So same process window plus R and type a control panel. Okay. Then navigate to the program and feature. So in this section, you have to find a SteelSeries GG engine. You can find the, and I'm show you, but I'm not downloading it, so I'm show you how you can uninstall it. Simply, you have to click SteelSeries GG engine and right click on this. Now they are the option called uninstallation. So you have to click on it. That's how you can uninstall your SteelSeries GG in your system. After this, you have to follow the on-screen instruction to complete the uninstallation process. Once installed, restart your computer again. Again, so download the latest version of the Steel series going to official website. With this link, we will provide you this link in our description box, so you can easily go into this link, their official website. Now, so we are going to this because we are talking about GG, so they are the option called download. So you have to click on the download button. You can download the latest software in your system again after the installation. So now we are going to solution 6, reset the firmware of your Arctis 7. So disconnect any cable from the headset and carefully remove the cushion on the left rear cup to access the reset button. As you can see, they are in our screenshot. This button is screen reset button. So you have to press and hold the reset button for 1 second using a paper clip. After resetting the headset, charge it to another 10 minutes before turning back on. So these are the simple solution. You have to take it when you see your SteelSeries Active 7 headphone constantly disconnecting. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for this issue and we will catch you in our next video.